Morning. The Big Mac. Good. How about you? The new sandwich. All right, let's try it out. So I'm picking it up right now. So I'll be telling you guys if it's really worth it. Hello. Welcome back again with another crazy video. But this one, I'm gonna shoot it out of the parking lot. Something very different. Just finished work now, and I'm gonna go. I don't know what's the big hype with the new McDonald's sandwich. So let's go and try it out. Picture there, see that? Let's go try that one. The chicken Big Mac. Yeah, look at that. The chicken Big Mac. All right. Yeah, hi. Can I get that the new the chicken Big Mac?
Are you getting a meal with us with the upsize large fries and large drink?
No. Just the meal.
Okay. What's your drink?
The drink Coke is fine.
Coke is fine, and the medium fried, right? Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Holy shit, that's
Okay.
$13.
Pardon me?
How much is it?
It's that will be 13.11.
Like just a
Are good?
that's good. $13 for a sandwich. Let's hold on. I gotta pay for this. Basically, it's a meal. I don't usually eat outside food, but the social media made a hype about this sandwich, so I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna tell you guys my honest opinion. Is this thing is really worth it? Which I don't know. To me, probably is gonna be tasting exactly like what do you call it? The McChicken that they have. The McChicken sandwich. Probably tastes the same. Let's test it out, the McChicken sandwich.
How about trying our chicken Big Mac today? The Happy Meal cheeseburger?
The new sandwich, right?
The chicken Big Mac meal?
Yeah.
With the Coke?
Yeah. Is that thing is a hot sale now since it's new?
Yeah, that's new, sir.
So probably everybody's buying that, huh?
Yeah.
Holy, that's a new strategy from McDonald's to make it a new sales, I guess.
Here you go.
All right, thank you. All right, we're gonna get it. Good morning.
Big Mac.
The Big Mac. Good. How about you? The new sandwich. All right, let's try it out. So I'm picking it up right now. So I'll be telling you guys if it's really worth it. All right, let's stop the car. Turn the engine off so you guys can hear exactly what I'm saying. First of all, they did put it in the box almost like the regular Big Mac. Okay, let's see. And this is how it looks like. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. See? Let's open it up and look at it. They use the same Big Mac sauce that they use for. So let's give it a bite. It almost tastes like the McChicken sandwich, the regular one. But I do find the McChicken is way a little thicker. Look at that. It's not thick. I guess what, for almost $2 more, and you're gonna get a double here, which is, I guess, yeah, because the McChicken is about almost like 9 something, $10 with tax, $11 almost, and then this one is almost $13 and change. So let's take another bite again. So so I hope you guys like this video. It's just a quick video that I decided it was all the hype about the McChicken sandwich. But anyway, see you in the next video. Till then, yeah.